Matthew Cooke with Realty Mortgage Services. I've been doing mortgage loans for about 9 years. And I do all kinds of loans, conventional, FHA, VA, rehab loans. But my favorite loan is by far the Rural Development loan, and that's what I've done the most of. A USDA or RD loan stands for United States Department of Agriculture, or a Rural Development loan. It's synonymous. People call it both things. It's a program that's designed to help people with low income households accomplish home ownership and be able to get out of the trap of throwing your money away on rent and actually begin to build some wealth as you pay your principal down and your home appreciates. There's only a couple of disqualifiers for rural development loans, and they have to do with income. If you make more than $86,650 in your household, and it's a 2-person household, you won't qualify. If you have a 5-person to 8-person household, you can make all the way up to $114,650 and still qualify as a low-income household and get this 100% loan. The other disqualifier is the rural part, and you might be surprised, but not everything that, when you think of rural, you probably think of hill people, but you can be pretty close to the city and probably still be eligible for a rural development loan. You just need to check the eligibility map, which is in a link at the bottom of this video. Check it out. Or call me, even better. Rural development loans offer extreme flexibility as far as the person's credit profile who can qualify. They can, really good credit scores, you'll get a really good rate, but even people with no credit whatsoever, like completely off the grid, no problem. We can still do it as long as you've paid rent, you've paid your electric bill, nothing that shows up on your credit report. You got no score at all, we can still do that. Also, if you've got some credit problems, all the way down to a 580 score, I can still get you financed as long as you've not had derogatory credit in the last 12 months, more than one time. You know, good credit or bad credit, you can still qualify as long as you meet the income guidelines and the location guidelines. That's the best part. You have no money down on this loan. The seller may require earnest money. You'll have to pay for an appraisal, but I can even structure the loan so that you get all that money back. So ultimately, you'll have no money out of pocket as long as you ask the seller to do seller concessions and pay the closing costs. So, you know, show up with a pin and a smile and get your house. What about interest rates? What are the interest rates? Right?
What are the interest rates?
That's one of the best parts about rural development loans. It's the cheapest money you can borrow. Interest rates are better than they would be on a conventional loan. And an FHA loan, it's comparable to what you pay on an FHA loan, but the MI rates are considerably lower. So your payment would be less on an RD loan where you put nothing down than it would on an FHA loan where you actually have 3.5% down payment.
Is that because of the mortgage insurance?
The mortgage insurance is a half point lower than it is on an FHA loan. Yeah. Really encourage people to shop around and include me in the shopping, and you'll find out why to go to America. My rates are better than anybody else's. I about guarantee it. And if I'm not one the first time you come back and let me know somebody beat me, and I'll lower it. I'll make sure that I earn your business. So give me a call. Many of you think I've told you the 580 credit score thing, and you think I'm just going to go check Credit Karma out. Just know that those models are different than what we actually pull. Plus, you might pull it and be, you know, say it says 560, and you're like, oh, I'm out of luck. Give me a call still. We'll figure out how to get your score up. We can a lot of times make it happen, or sometimes even have a higher score on our models than you do on Credit Karma. So don't give up. Give me a call. Let me find out for you instead of trying to figure it out yourself. That's what I'm here for.